In today's video, I'm going to show you how I speed run the job application process so that I can get loads of job applications out, where each job application is probably better than what most people do, where we have a cover letter template that we just copy and paste for each job application. The main problem with that is that those cover letters don't speak to recruiters. They're just bland and they know that they're just copied and pasted. Whereas if you follow this process, every submission that you make will be job specific, it will be personalized to your resume, and it will absolutely slap. With that all said, I'm going to start the timer and we'll see how long this takes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to a website called hire.sh. The link is in the description down below, and this is going to be for our resume and our cover letter. You'll need to create an account. We'll head over to the dashboard, fill out some user details. I filled out some details for my alter ego, who is Samuel Oak. Then what we'll do is we'll scroll down and we'll complete the resume. Once you've completed the resume, you should hit save and open up the PDF viewer. That's going to load in your resume. You can right click, hit print, and save that to your local device, making sure to scale it so that it fits perfectly on the page. With that resume created, now what we can do is come over to LinkedIn, find a job that we're looking for, software engineer 2, and copy everything in that job posting. All of the information just here, if I can actually do that properly. A little bit higher, right there. Everything just there. We'll hit copy. We'll come back over to our little application, and we're going to hit create new on job application. I'm going to call this Microsoft Appy. Nice. We'll hit create on that. Then what we're going to do is give the company Microsoft. We'll go for the role software engineer II. The status is in preparation, and then we're just going to paste in the job posting. Now what we can do is we can scroll down and hit generate, and that's going to map our resume, our skills, to the job posting and generate a job specific cover letter that is personalized to our abilities. Once that's all done, we can hit save, head over to the PDF viewer, and once again print off that job specific cover letter. Now we have everything we need, the resume and the cover letter, to submit the job application, and it literally took 1 minute and 49 seconds. So if you want to speed run the job application process and nail your applications professional standard every single time, check out hire.sh. Link is in the description down below, and get started today.